Hi everyone, we'll be going over lesson number 13 on how to use Desmos for finding rational function. There's a question on the right side which is from real exam questions 2023-2024, and the question tells us that the table shows three values of x and their corresponding values of f of x, where f of x equals kx plus 45 over x plus 2 and k is a constant. What's the value of k? So you can find this type of question by using Desmos. So you can click here plus bottom and you can click table. As you see, there are three values and they have x and y coordinates of points, so you should just typing them into Desmos. Negative 37 for second point, x coordinate of second point negative 9, and y coordinate of second point 0, third one 33 and 6. So general function is a rational function. You should just type y1 and you should use regression and click ABC. You can find in function menu with the tilde key and function kx plus 45 nominator part, kx1 plus 45 close parentheses and divided by x1 plus 2. So as you see, Desmos gives us the value of k, which is 5. So it's an open question. You should write k value is 5. Let's move on next question. So the table shows three values of x and their corresponding values of g of x, where g of x equals f of x over x plus 5 and f is a linear function. What's the y-intercepts of graph of y equals f of x in the xy plane? So you should create table on Desmos and click plus bottom, click table and just typing them into Desmos. So negative 20 second one, y coordinate of first point 4 and x coordinate of second point negative 8 and y coordinate of second point 0 and x coordinate of third point 10 and y coordinate of third point 6. So general function g of x equals f of x plus 45 and f is a linear function, so the form of linear function is mx f of x equals mx plus b, and g of x is going to be g of x mx plus b divided by x plus 5. So y1, let's write y1 and you should use the tilde key, open parenthesis, mx1 just mx, if you press 1 and it will be automatically added as subscript, plus b and close parentheses divided by x1 plus 5. You should write x1 plus 5. So as you see, it gives us m is 5 and b is 40. So our function is g of x, and you should use substitution method and you put instead of x, m and b values of m and b. So open parenthesis, m is 5, it's going to be a 5x plus b, close parenthesis, b is 40, you should put instead of b 40 and close parenthesis divided by x plus 5. So it is possible you can find the function of rational function by using Desmos. But question tells us that what's the y-intercept of the graph and how can you find y-intercept of the graph? There are two ways. One of them you can find by using intersection point, which is between a y-axis and graph. So as you see, x coordinate 0 and comma y coordinate 8. You should take y-intercepts of graph 0, 8, which is C option in this question. And second way, you can find y-intercept of any function and by writing instead of x0, so if you write g of 0, it gives us a y-intercept of graph, which is 8. So both of them are acceptable for digital SAT math questions.